Hey Chris, you know how my headlights are all faded and stuff. I know you could fix that, but it's kind of a 90s look. You got the amber thing and the diffuser, but look at the other side here. How much better that looks. I got all four, 2 parking lamps and 2 headlights for $88 off of eBay. They're the 03, 04, but you probably already know that. But it's a lot cooler looking. And even with those HIDs that were on it, right here, I took them off because I think they're stupid. But I'm going to sell them on eBay or whatever. But even with those HIDs, I couldn't see at night with because the things were clouded so bad. I know you can clean them up with toothpaste or headlight restoration, but that looks a lot better. A ton better. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I was doing. I got to do the other side now.